Hello friends, welcome to another Steve-O's Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to show you a really quick, easy, zero tools needed other than a tape measure. You really don't even need a tape measure, but it helps. And a pen. But a really quick, easy way to hang a picture. So what you do is, depending on your wall, since this is a bit smaller of a wall, you want to know what height you're going to go at. I'm going to go at 6.5 feet. Try to eye up where the middle of, in this instance, the trim in the corner would be. And we're going to go 6.5 feet from the floor, which would be right here. And now we're going to find the center point of that. So I like to center it because if you don't and it's a little off, it's going to look funky. So we're working with 53. Half of 53 would be what? 25, 26, 26.5. So there's our vertical, and we want to be at 26.5. So that was really close. And then all you do is to take this really nice thing. I'll post a link as to where you can buy them. They hold a significant amount of weight as well, and you actually hope to not hit a stud, which the chances are greater that you won't. But you press that guy through the wall, and then it kind of curls in, and that's that. So this is a acrylic pour painting that we did. My fiance did this one. I really like this one. Acrylic pour painting is super duper fun to do, and they turn out pretty well. You honestly don't have to be all that artistic. We'll post links on how to do that as well. It's really cool. As far as these hangers, I want to show you like an idea as to the amount of weight you can hang with them. A lot of these are hung with hangers, not all of them, but you can do quite a bit with them. And what's really easy is they hold a lot of weight. These things have been up there for a long time, and they're super duper easy to put up. So if you found this helpful at all, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button and maybe leave a comment. That would be awesome. Thanks so much.